Defence Minister Rajnath Singh chaired a high-level meeting in New Delhi yesterday to review the progress in the construction of various infrastructure projects on the northern border areas. Defence Research and Development Organization has successfully conducted a maiden flight test of the Power Takeoff (PTO) shaft on Lighter Combat Aircraft LCA Tejas Limited Series production and LSP-3 aircraft in Bengaluru. The results of NEET PG 2023 has been announced. Candidates who appeared for the examination can check and download the results online from the official website. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh has said that India is fast emerging as world's knowledge-based economy, and over the last few years it has grown by leaps and bounds when it comes to innovation and technology. The most popular program on All India Radio, Prime Minister's Mann Ki Baat, will complete its 100th edition on the 30th of April.